a glass? You've got no water.
I could get some water, please. That'd be great. Just before we start, on a housekeeping note, we will take questions.
No, we don't have Fabian Delph with us. Unfortunately, he's strained a muscle in his groin area. So I've actually spoken to him, and he stayed in Manchester, and I've made it clear to him that that means probably he won't be with us either in the final 23, unless, of course, we have injuries. So I've put him on a standby list, actually, which he understands and accepts. I don't think it's going to be a really long-term injury for him. So if I needed him and wanted him to come with us, it's easy for me to call him and ask him to do so. But I have actually said to him that with the situation that we have with the other 25 players, it might be unlikely.